Welcome back to day 26 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step. We have gotten so far, and today on day 26 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step, we're going to take yet another step to finally love ourselves, and that is to drink our water. Every time we hydrate ourselves, it's just so much better for our skins, our mental health, our energy levels, everything. So be sure to write that down on our habits so we can make sure that we are hydrating ourselves and drinking our water. I use a 64-ounce container. It is pretty big. I fill it up like 1.5 times, sometimes 2, depending on the weather and how much movement I'm getting, but just use anything you have. If you are interested, I will link this one down below, and be sure to continue all our habits that have been dressing tissues, shining our sink, a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute email declutter, a 15-minute zone declutter. This week we're in zone 2, the kitchen, and we're also going to do a 15-minute rest. We're also making our beds, checking our control journals, checking our calendars. We are also doing a cleaning mission. We're making sure to get out our clothes for the next day and getting to bed on time. Be sure to check out all your freebies down below. And if you want to join us on the next exclusive challenge, because this one is going to wrap up, don't forget to join the Homemakers circles. It's just $10 or $20 a month, and it is chock full of exclusive content, accountability, bonus videos, you name it. Be sure you're keeping up with all of your habits, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 27 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.